Sawadee Kap! Today I'm going to cook Gabi nga may Gata. This is an Ilonggo recipe. So if you are in Ilonggo living in Bangkok, so probably you would agree with me that this is the best thing we can do for this kind of recipe. Nevertheless, I am certain this can satisfy cravings. So for the ingredients I have, grated old coconut, Taro corn or underground stem, taro stem or petioles, 200 grams of pork, ginger, Thai chili, and I'm going to use also fish sauce, shrimp paste, and rice vinegar. So let's get started. So this is the second extraction of coconut milk. This is about 400 milliliter water. I'm going to add the taro stem and corn. And I'm going to add the pork and cover. Bring this to boil. So at this point, I'm going to add the ginger, the shrimp paste, and the fish sauce. Remember, do not stir this until it's all done. And cover. Continue boiling. Next, I'm going to add the vinegar according to your taste. And I'm going to add the Thai chili. Cover it. Do not stir it. So after 5 minutes, I'm going to add the first extraction of coconut milk. Bring this to boil. And once it's boiling, so this is now the time that I'm going to stir. Let's taste it. Okay, it's done.